Back with another video. Was in Las Vegas for 4 days for the Super Bowl. Insane game. I have another Vintage Treasures box, the last one that's unopened. Box number 1,379 of 25,000. This is the pack chase. Looking for some Manals, looking for some old rookies, looking for an autograph, looking for a cool relic. I'm going to open this whole box today. It'll probably be a multi-part video. So let's get this going. Have an assistant. Say hi.
Hi. I am playing. I'm starting playing, Dad. And I'm a boy.
Best we've done so far is a 19. The oldest we've done so far is a 1957 in any of the boxes. So it'd be nice to get a 52, even if it was a common. It'd be pretty cool. Obviously, any Mantle Maze or any of those old guys would be pretty cool. All right, pack one. Here we go. Fourth pack.
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, baby.
Can I have that thing right there? That's right next to you, under your cards.
This?
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, last one for this video, and then we'll stop it. Do 5 more and another one.
Then you're gonna do another one? I'm gonna wait here. Wait here, okay, Daddy, so you can come back and do this.
Alright, we'll stop that one.